In Chapter 1, Behavioral Neuroscience, we will take a look at all the basics of behavioral neuroscience, past, present, and future research that is on the rise. In this book, we explore the many ways in which the structures and actions of the brain produce mind and behavior. The brain is often thought of as a machine. The brain is full of surprises. Neurons are the basic unit of the nervous system. There are an estimated 86 billion nerve cells in the body. Neurons contact cells at points called synapses. Extension of neurons are called axons. What is behavioral neuroscience? People who started studying the connection between brain and behavior were philosophers. These philosophers gave birth to biology and psychology. Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system. These philosophers, coming up with biology and psychology, are able to combine to make biological psychology, now known as behavioral neuroscience. Behavioral neuroscience is the study of the neural basis of behavior and mental processes. The main point of this certain field is to grasp the understanding of behavior and experience. Behavioral neuroscience is an area that incorporates other fields of studies. Psychologists, biologists, physiologists, and many other fields of study. 5 viewpoints that explore the biology of behavior. To understand behavioral neuroscience, there must be a firm understanding of several different perspectives. In this case, there are 5 major perspectives: describing behavior, studying the evolution of behavior, observing the development of behavior and its biological characteristics over the lifespan, studying the biological mechanisms of behavior, and studying applications of behavioral neuroscience. Table 1.1 applies these perspectives to 3 kinds of behavior: sexual behavior, learning and memory, and language and communication. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, being the center of biology, brings up 2 different emphases: the community of behavior and biological processes in species due to ancestry, and species-specific differences in behavior and biology that evolved into adaptations. Conserved means referring to a trait that is passed on from a common ancestor to 2 or more descendant species. Ontogeny is the processes by which an individual changes in the course of its lifetime. Ontogeny can give clues to functions and mechanisms through observing behavior. Learning about mechanisms of an individual's behavior involves studying how the present body works. An organism is a machine. Behavioral neuroscience is crucial to improving human conditions. Diseases that relate to the brain often are alleviated through current research in the field of behavioral neuroscience.